Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about activity series. In today's class we shall discuss how they extract the metal. In the extraction of metal there are three steps, that is, one is concentration or dressing, next one is extraction of crude metal, refining or purification of metal. These are the three steps involved in extracting a metal from its ore. In today's class we shall discuss what is concentration or dressing. Now this concentration or dressing is also called enrichment of the ore. Okay, it can be done in various ways like hand picking, washing, froth flotation and magnetic separation. We will discuss each one in detail. Whenever we take out the ore from underground, it usually contains lot of sand and clay particles. So removal of the sand and clay particles is called concentration or dressing of the ore, or otherwise it is called enrichment of the ore. The particles of sand and clay, they are usually called as gangue. It is usually called as gangue. So removal of this gangue from the ore is called concentration or dressing or enrichment of the ore. So the very first one that we are, as I told you, we have different methods, that is hand picking, washing, froth flotation and magnetic separation. Let us see each one in detail. What is hand picking? Suppose if the size of the impurities are different from the size of the metal particles, we can separate it by hand picking. Even if the color is different, we can separate it by hand picking. So that is about hand picking. Next one is washing. The crushed ore is kept on a slopy surface like this. So less denser particles of impurities, they flow down, leaving the high denser metal particles on the surface itself. That is what is washing. The next technique is froth flotation. In this froth flotation, a tank is taken in which some oil like pine oil is added, and air which is having high pressure is passed through this oil. Whenever it happens like this is usually used for sulfur ores which have the impurities that have wetting properties, they settle down, and the ore particles, they will be floating, which do not get wet. Now this ore particles can be separated with the help of a big handle or having a mesh. This can be separated, the ore particles can be separated, impurities settle at the bottom. So this is called as froth flotation. The next one is magnetic separation. In magnetic separation, the ore particles and crust are made to pass through magnetic wheel. So this is magnetic wheel and this is non-magnetic wheel. The non-magnetic materials will fall here and the magnetic materials will be separated and fall here. So this is how the magnetic and non-magnetic materials are separated from one another. Then from non-magnetic material, if you want any metal, you can extract it, or if you want any metal from magnetic material, that also you can extract it. Now let me repeat the froth flotation. Now what happens in this froth flotation is, they take a tank like structure in which they add some oil. Let us say they have added pine oil, and air which is having pressure is sent into the water. Whenever air which is having pressure is sent into the water, what happens is, the particles that got wet in the sulfide ores, they come and settle at the bottom, and the particles that do not get wet, that is the ore particles, the metal particles, they will rise up like this. So whenever they rise up like this, they can be removed with the help of a mesh like handle, mesh having a handle, something like that. So that can be separated. So this is about the froth flotation. So what all we discussed in this class, I will just give a quick revision of it. We have in the previous class we have discussed about activity series. In today's class we shall discuss about extraction of metals. Extraction of metals involve three stages, that is concentration or dressing, extraction of crude metal, or refining or purification of metal. In today's topic we have discussed about concentration or dressing. Concentration or dressing is also called enrichment of the ore. Now, concentration of dressing involves removal of gangue particles. Gangue particles are sand and clay particles that has to be removed from the ore. Once the gangue is removed, now there are different ways of removing the gangue particles. One is hand picking, washing, froth flotation and magnetic separation. We have discussed all this in detail. So, that is about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.